One of the things that drives a lot of my work is to unmask some of our assumptions that we use to make the Bible a little bit safer by reading the Bible along with some of its earliest interpreters in antiquity. It's actually strange, unsettling, unsystematic. It's full of surprises. Right now I'm working on a book on merit in earliest Christianity. By merit, I mean what the earliest Christians thought they were supposed to do or become to please God or enter into the next life. The first Christians had a lot to say about this subject. Modern New Testament scholars, in contrast, have typically been very uncomfortable with this subject. For example, when scholars first started seriously questioning whether Paul had written some of the letters attributed to him in the New Testament, if a letter attributed to Paul seemed to encourage people to do meritorious deeds to enter into heaven, that was taken as strong evidence that Paul himself could not have written it. The historical reconstructions of Jesus and Paul and their teaching have been engineered around scholarly anxiety about the idea of human merit. Some of these theological assumptions have been embedded in the field, and unless they're explicitly interrogated, they remain in place even for scholars who have no theological dog in the fight. I'm also working on a book on the Sermon on the Mount, probably the best known chunk of Christian writing. It's received lots of scholarly attention, but there's still, to my mind, a tendency to try to find in it something comforting. I suspect that it's closer to the articulation of a program that should do nothing if not scare us a little bit, because it's very extreme. Everyone comes to these texts or any other texts with their own assumptions. The rigorous use of reception historical study can help us to be a little bit more precise about exactly what our assumptions might be and the ways that they're distorting our analysis and resituate the Bible in antiquity in a very different time and place to make it weird and troubling as it should be, because in many ways it reflects perspectives that are not our own. I came to Notre Dame because the idea of a really great Catholic research university appealed to me. Notre Dame could make a serious claim to having one of, if not the best theology departments in the world. It's strong in areas that are closely related to my own field. Our best students are already publishing important work in top journals. They bring an intellectual vigor to the classroom that makes it a very exciting place to be.